Hi dear Cancerians, a very good morning to you. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Cancerians, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind these readings are general in nature. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place, and the second thing, the rules can be reversed anytime. And this is a reading from 21st of September till the 30th of September. Okay honey, so let's start. Yeah. So your partner's current energy right now is Cancerians. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see, your partner's current energy right now is touch, Ace of Cups. Beautiful loving energy, beautiful overwhelming emotions. They don't know what to do with these emotions, but they are carrying lots of emotions, lots of love emotions. Okay, might be it is for you, might be for some kind of work or business or job, but there are overflowing emotions. Might be they got somebody new in their life. There are lots of might be. I will check why they are feeling this type of feelings right now. Let me see. Let's clarify the Ace of Cups in their current energy. Let's clarify the Ace of Cups in their current energy, sweetie. Let's see. Ten of Cups, right? Beautiful energy, King of Pentacles, and the Ace of Wands in reverse. I feel like this person is really happy with their family, and they got something, some kind of good news, something that is really making them happy, some kind of stability or some kind of financial good news in their life, and they started something new, but that is still in the process. Starting something new is still in the process. There is some kind of energy which is making them really happy, Cancerians. Making them really happy. Might be they are enjoying some kind of family time and their family business is thriving. They are getting something from their family, and might be materialistic things, and they want to start something, but there is something that is stopping them to start this. Okay, there are brand new beginnings in their life. This is Ace of Cups, this is Ace of Wands in reverse, but there is a blockage right now in this starting. That's why they are overly emotional. Ace of Cups is beautiful energy of love, I understand, but it is a overflowing of emotions, not emotionally stable. Not emotionally stable. Okay, now let me see what's your current energy, Cancerians. Your current energy right now is, Cancerians, your current energy right now is, let's see, Five of Swords. I feel like you are fighting with somebody and you are trying to win the ego battle. You are being egoistic here. I'm being very honest here, Cancerians. I feel like you are fighting a stupid fight. There's no meaning of this fight. Still, you are just fighting just because you feel like I should fight. Yeah, and this is kind of ego battle right now. This is not a real fight. Even if you're winning, you are losing. This is the situation. You might lose something very close to you, somebody very close to you, or you might lose something very important just because you feel like you want to win this egoistic fight. Okay, let me clarify this. Four of Wands. Okay, Knight of Wands, Three of Swords. Okay, so it is basically you are deeply hurt. You are deeply hurt because you wanted commitment from somebody, or you wanted to get married to somebody, but that somebody broke your heart. Might be they walked away, or you are walking away from them. There is something that is really breaking your heart. Some kind of heartbreak. Right now you are dealing with some kind of heartbreak. Might be you were planning to get married to somebody. Might be you are very passionate about marriage or commitment in your life, but you are not getting that commitment. You are not getting that kind of loving energy and caring energy towards you, and that's why you are fighting. You are fighting with them. Might be you are just fighting with your own destiny. You are trying to win. You are trying to win something that you are not getting, and that's why you are deeply heartbroken, and that's why you're feeling like I don't want to be in this stupid life right now. I just want to be out of this situation. That's why you are fighting with might be everybody. Yeah, cut this out, cut this person, cut that person. This is kind of energy you are carrying right now. Let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. You're not getting the commitment, you're not getting what you want from them. That is why you are fighting with them. This is plain and simple. Let me see what are their feelings for you. Their feelings for you. Nine of Swords. Okay, now I'm getting why this person is emotionally very overflowing. Their emotional cup is overflowing because they are in stress. They are feeling stressed about you. They're in anxiety. They're in some kind of insomniac situation. They're not being able to sleep. They're not being able to tell anybody what they are going through. They're very very stressed, thinking about you. You are in their head 24/7. You are constantly in their mind. You are constantly in their thoughts, and they are not being able to come out of the situation. They are constantly thinking about something bad, something stupid. They are feeling like you are giving them more stress than love. You are giving them more of negative energy than the positive ones. This is the situation here. Let me clarify. Now I'm getting the picture is getting a little clear to me. You want commitment and they're not giving it to you, but still they don't want to let you go. This is the situation. Okay, let me clarify the Nine of Swords as their feelings for you. Two of Pentacles, the Nine of Wands, and the Page of Wands. See, they are constantly juggling between the thoughts of whether to talk to you or whether to reconnect with you or not. See, this is a Two of Pentacles, this is the Nine of Wands, and this is the Page of Wands. They are constantly struggling between the thoughts of getting back to you or not, or talking to you or not. They are also hurt. They are also hurt. You are also hurt. They are also hurt. They don't want. I feel like this person right now is not ready to commit or ready to have a relationship or something like that. But they are constantly juggling between the thoughts of what should I do? What should I just talk to the Cancerian or not? Should I go towards them and should I tell them that I am very very stressed? I am very very stressed right now. I am being very very anxious. I do have emotions for you, but right now this is not the right time to commit or do some kind of marriage thing. That's why this person is right now very very stressed, thinking about the commitment thing, thinking about you, thinking about the future of this connection. They want to reconnect with you, they want to text you, they want to have a communication with you, but they are not getting the way to do that. That's why this person is right now very very stressed. Okay, let me see what this person wants from you. Let me see what this person wants from you. Let's see. Ten of Pentacles. See, this person also wants a family with you. They also want to have a commitment energy with you, but might be this is not the right time to do that. They want to have a family with you. They want to have a stable life with you. They want stability. Basically, they want stability from your side. They want stability and not commitment actually, but they want some kind of stability from your side. They want to have a family with you, but right now they are just fearful. They are not just ready for the commitment part. Okay, they're just not ready for the marriage part. Let me clarify the Ten of Pentacles as what they want from you. Justice could be dealing with the Libra here, Knight of Swords, and the Seven of Cups. Lots of cups are here, so Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy is also here. So this person wants you to do justice with this emotion, with the emotions that you carry for each other, with the relationship that you guys have with each other. They just want you to don't rush into any kind of commitment thing. Don't rush into anything that is not going to be good for both of you. And they just want you to come out of this confusing state of mind. Might be you are looking for options in your life right now, but they just want you to be stable minded and take any decision with perception after thinking about the decisions. Don't take any decision just in air, you can say, just because you want to be in a relationship or you want to be in a commitment. Just don't take any kind of decision just like that. Okay, just wait for the right time. They want to have a family with you, but they feel like this is just not the right time to commit or to be in a or to be in a marriage relationship or something like that. This is the situation here. That is what they want from you. They just want you to calm down, relax, and do justice with your own feelings, with your own emotions. And if your emotions are telling you that stay with them, then stay with them. And if your emotions are telling you that go and find somebody else, you can do that as well. But they want you to be stable minded, very very stable minded in your life. This is what they want from you. Cool. But they are very anxious, very very stressed. They are under pressure, very very much pressurized, not being able to sleep at all. Let me see what is coming towards you till the 30th of September. Nine of Wands. This person is coming back towards you, but again with the non-committal energy. If you want this person back in your life, they are coming back to you, but there is no commitment in this energy. There is energy of passion, there is energy of love, there is passion of hot and steamy romance, but there is no energy of commitment here as of yet. Okay, let me clarify the Knight of Wands as the potential outcome for you. The Lovers, the Star, the Hierophant. My God. So this person wants you back in their life because they are highly attracted towards you. They can't think their life without you. They think like you are really sexy, really beautiful, and you guys got a very good chemistry with each other. They are very, very hopeful and positive about the future of this connection, and they feel like in the future you guys can get married in the future. Okay, not right now. That's why right now they feel like they should get back to you, and you guys should just start this connection with each other again. There are 3 signs here that I'm getting. This is Gemini, this is Aquarius, and this is Taurus. Might be might be dealing with any of them. So yeah, this person is also thinking about the marriage part, but not ready to do that right now, as of now. Okay, might be they are going to do it after 3-4 months, or might be a year, or they are going to take their time to commit. So now this is up to you. If this is your free will, if you want to get this connection back in your life, or you just want to move on, this is your free will, Cancerians. But this is the energy that is present for you guys. This person is coming back because they carry lots of emotions for you, lots of passion for you. They do love you, but not ready for the commitment thing as of now. This is the situation. Okay, Cancerians, and I hope this will clarify some of your doubts. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste. Namaste.